It's a different kind of vibe this Monday, and it's definitely a different kind of feel for this time of the year. Highs are going to be well into the 80s. We'll end up partly sunny skies once any of this fog starts to burn off. We are again dealing with it pretty thick in spots, so we'll get to it. But first, these numbers, okay? Records today in the 80s for a lot of you. So we could come real close or even have a few ties, especially in places like Mansfield, where the record high today is 87. Now, this map is visibility right now in miles. So downtown is looking okay at the moment. But yeah, travel just a little west into places like Avon Lake and into Elyria and Oberlin, and it's a half a mile at best. You travel south into Akron Canton, well under a mile. I mean, it's like a tenth of a mile there. And same thing goes east suburbs. It's really widespread right now in Lake, in Geauga counties, also into Portage County, where we've got visibility very low. Twinsburg, Hudson, Ravenna. I mean, you're gonna need some extra drive time for sure. Temperatures are in the 60s. This is quite lovely considering normal high is 65. Game time 1:30 this afternoon. How about 83? I mean, why not, right? Our boys of summer might as well feel like summer today, and hopefully that will be a great advantage. The cold weather is definitely visible on the map. It's just still kind of hanging out top of your television screen. Temperature trends next 5 days. Take the trends from this, not the numbers so much as far as exact numbers, because you'll see those in my 7-day. But look at the downward slide heading into the end of the work week and the weekend. So those of you early birdies heading out and about, fog is what you'll be dealing with this morning. As we get into the week, we will be tracking some showers, thunderstorms. It's much more unsettled to our west. That's a cold front, and oh, is it going to pack a punch by the time it gets here. So we've got a couple of warm days yet. Today, 80s, tomorrow, Wednesday. By Wednesday night into Thursday, here comes a very potent cold front that'll at least drop us to seasonal weather Thursday, 60s, falling, and then Will and Tiffany. And Tiffany, I'm thinking of you, girlfriend. We're talking highs only in the 50s. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You're gonna be shivering, because I know how you are.
You know.
That is
Holly,
cold.
I'm already shivering now.
Well,
yeah,
just wait.
I feel the humidity and I'm shivering. It's like I'm hot cold. It's weird.
You need gloves when it gets below 60.
Oh gosh, yes.
Yeah.
60 gloves.
See, I came prepared. I got a sweater on.
You look like you might be hot though, no?
No.
Not hot, feeling good?
Feeling
All right,
pleasant.
it is humid. Well.